This is a shadow paper. It's from the Summer 2019 series, Shadow Set 1. And it is a paper 2, so we can use a calculator on this paper. Question 1 is as follows. Jed surveyed 50 members of his U Club to ask each of them their favourite type of music. Some of the information about his results are shown in the incomplete table here. And below we've got a pictogram to display each of the information. The key bit here is our key. So each one full person represents 2 members. Our first question is, write down the name of this diagram. I've just mentioned it. It is a pictogram. Using the information in the diagram, complete the table. So our table up here, we're missing both hip hop and R&B. So down here, hip hop, if you remember, one full person is 2 members. So that's 2, 4 and a half, which would be 5. So that's half of 2 would be 1. So 2, 2 and 5. And also we're looking for R&B, which is here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And you could double check it by adding all these together, and it should get us to the 50 members again. Write down the mode of the favorite type of music. So mode is the most common and the most popular. It's very easy to see it from our pictogram. It would be indie rock, or from the table it's our highest number. There it is, 12. So indie rock. Make sure it is indie rock you're putting down. We're not looking for the 12 there. It's the actual type of music that we wanted. Explain why the mode is the most appropriate average to use for Jed's results. It's the most appropriate because it is data that is non-numeric. So by non-numeric I mean it's something we can't measure. We can count it, okay, but we can't measure these, which means it's very hard to find a mean or find a median, as opposed to most common is the easiest one or the most appropriate one to use. So the data is non-numeric, it's not numerical. D. Explain whether or not the diagram shown is a good way to represent Jed's results. We could say here, first of all, it's 2 marks. We need to say 2 points. So 1, we could say yes, because it is easy to use. So putting a pictogram together is very easy. It doesn't involve any special equipment, like for instance a compass if I was to do a pie chart. So yes, because it's easy to use. And the second one could be yes, it is clear to see the most popular, or alternatively the least popular, etc. Jed selected at random one of the 50 members surveyed. Write down the probability that this member's favourite type of music is pop. So it's out of 50 altogether. The amount of people that preferred pop was 8. So we've got 8 out of 50. That we can simplify. It simplifies to be 4 over 25. So we can put down 4 over 25. If you wanted to be awkward about it, it is 16%. It is 0.16. Either one of those 3 is absolutely fine, but I would be sticking with the fractions. A lot easier to write probability as a fraction.